How to enable voice isolation on iPhone. Let's get started. To enable voice isolation on your iPhone, you first need to be on an active FaceTime call or regular phone call, as the feature is specifically designed to enhance call audio quality. Once the call is connected, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Within the control center, look for the option labeled Mic Mode, which is represented by a microphone icon. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of options, including standard, voice isolation, and sometimes wide spectrum. To reduce background noise and focus on your voice, select voice isolation. This setting uses advanced audio processing to prioritize your voice while minimizing ambient noise, making your speech clearer to the person on the other end of the call. Once selected, the feature remains active for the duration of the call. You can revert to the default standard mode or experiment with wide spectrum, which captures more ambient sound, at any time by following the same steps. This simple feature can significantly improve call quality, especially in noisy environments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel,